Well, everyone, welcome back to another video. We're gonna split this video up into 2 days because I got a dying iPhone that's recording right now, and we have an unboxing. Well, I let y'all select on my live stream that Starlink died on. I did a voting poll, but I don't know if the algorithm just made it disappear or people didn't see it on either X or YouTube. But the voting is over with, anyways. The Air won, so here we are. iPhone Air got it for free, and I still have $54 and 78 cents left. So here we go. First tear, and these strips are harder on this phone than they are the other iPhone. There we go. And then the box is same thickness as I believe the other 17 model devices. This is tiny. That is so thin. I'm still surprised every time. Okay, so I know one of the people commented about the little bumper on the actual display, the back here, and I got it in black because I wanted black. Um, Partly because I got the iPhone 17 Pro Max and like a whitish, and we have a massive cradle rock as to be expected, as y'all were to be expected on that one. But all right, here we go in 3, 2, 1. Nice. Let's boot it up. For anyone curious, it came with 57% battery power. That's pretty good. I do feel a little bit of warmth on the top already immediately after it boots, but I mean, nothing horrible. So, like I said, it's gonna be curious how the C1X modem behaves, but yeah, we're gonna set this up and everything, and then, like I said, I'll be back tomorrow. It's still Friday. 14 hours later with the free iPhone Air or iPhone 17 Air, some people call it. It's a good phone. I like it. I'm gonna do 1 week later, and then I'm going to do 1 month later, and then so on and so forth. Right now, I'm testing the cellular data performance. I have a T-Mobile SIM, and then of course I have a T-Mobile SIM on the 17 Pro Max. And this evening I'm going to an event, so I'll be close to a actual cellular tower. So we'll see which one does better on the cellular testing performance and stuff like that. And of course, I'll report that next week. I'll test battery life, the whole 9 yards. The only thing as everyone complains about, is that top speaker. It is top speaker because down here are microphones. So, listen, it's my secondary phone. It's not my primary. I wouldn't buy this if I had to spend my own money personally. But like I said, and I said it in my YouTube short, if I had money to spare, I'd buy it. So, let me know what y'all think down below. And of course, I'll be glad to see your comments. I know some people are like, "Oh, you should have bought the 17 Pro," and there's some out there being negative Nancy's. Guys, Apple bought this one. Like, they literally handed it to me. It was served its opportunity. I went in, trade in the 16 Pro, had the $537.46 in credits, walked out the store with $54.78. And I appreciate the Apple Store employee for your hospitality and stuff like that. Um, this purchase went over really good last night. I was tired, but I'm glad everything went smooth. So thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.